Looking to replace your letter plate for your front door? These are the measurements we need to know. So the first and probably the most important one is the overall size of the existing letter plate. So what we'd like to know is the width from end to end, the height from top to bottom. Next, we need to know the size of the actual flap. So measure from the one side to the other of the flap, and again from top to bottom, from the outside. Next, we then need to know what dimensions are on the inside of the letter plate. On the inside of the letter plate, the first measurement we want to know is the distance from the centre to the centre of the fixing bolts. Next, we'd like to know what the cutout in your door is. So again, from the inside of the door, measure from one side to the other, the width and the height of the actual cutout. Now, a lot of people ask us, why do we need to know so many of these measurements? Well, the simple fact is that although the outside of the letter plates come in quite common sizes, such as 10" by 3" or 10" by 4", the critical measurements, the actual flap size, the cutout, and the distance between the fixing bolts vary massively between different manufacturers. Looking for help selecting the right size letter plate? Feel free to give us a call or email.